Your XSPA virtual card, ready in minutes. This is how you apply for and activate your XSPA virtual card. Open the XSPA Wallet app. Go to the card section and tap Apply. Complete the KYC process to continue. Enter your email and verify it using the one-time password sent to you. Upload a government-issued ID based on your country, including front and back images. Then complete a quick selfie verification. That's it. Your application is now under review. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation by email and in the app. Your card is ready to be activated. To activate your card, a one-time transfer of $59 worth of XSPA is required. $49 worth of XSPA is permanently burned, removing it from circulation, and $10 is added to your card balance. This completes your card activation. Once confirmed, your card is activated within seconds. You'll receive an instant notification and email. Your XSPA virtual card is now ready to use. Open the XSPA Wallet app and activate your card today. Stay tuned for our next video on funding and using your XSPA card. Your Web3, your card, your control. Get now on Google Play and App Store.